Hey, everyone! Welcome back to CosySpace Living, your go-to channel for all things apartment inspo, interior design, and decor ideas. I'm Cora, and today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, renter-friendly bathroom decor. If you're renting, you know the struggle of wanting to spruce up your space without making permanent changes. So, in this video, I'll share some fun and affordable makeover ideas to give your bathroom a fresh look, no renovations required. If you love simple, stylish, and creative solutions for your home, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you try any of these tips or have some of your own to share. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to transform your bathroom without any permanent alterations is using peel and stick products. Whether it's wallpaper, tiles, or even floor decals, these are renter-friendly lifesavers. Peel and stick wallpaper can instantly give your bathroom walls a new texture or pattern. Choose something subtle like a light geometric print for a modern look, or go bold with florals or metallics for a more dramatic vibe. For your floors, peel and stick vinyl tiles can cover outdated flooring and bring in a chic, clean feel. What's great about these options is that they are affordable, temporary, and easy to apply. When it's time to move out, they come off just as easily without leaving damage. Perfect for renters looking to make a big impact with minimal effort. A small but effective change in your bathroom can come from something as simple as swapping out your shower curtain and towels. Your shower curtain takes up a lot of visual space, so it can really set the tone for your bathroom style. Opt for something that reflects your personal aesthetic, whether that's a minimalist neutral tone or a bold, colorful pattern. Paired with matching or contrasting towels, you can create a cohesive look in just a few minutes. You can also layer bath mats or add a pop of color with patterned or textured options to tie the room together. This is an easy way to add warmth and personality without making any permanent changes, and the best part is, you can take all these pieces with you when you move. One thing most renters struggle with in the bathroom is storage, especially if space is limited. The good news is, you can make a huge difference with renter-friendly storage solutions. Over-the-toilet shelving, tiered shower caddies, or adhesive hooks can provide extra space for towels, toiletries, and decor without needing to drill holes. Try adding stylish baskets or trays to organize countertop items, keeping things tidy while doubling as decor. Magnetic strips inside cabinet doors or wall-mounted toothbrush holders are also great for saving space. These storage solutions are not only functional but can also enhance the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Remember, organization doesn't have to be boring, it can add to the beauty of your space. Lighting can completely transform the mood and atmosphere of any room, and the bathroom is no exception. If your rental has outdated lighting fixtures, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to work around it. You can use adhesive, battery-operated LED lights to create a cozy and warm ambience without needing to rewire anything. Consider placing them around your mirror or under shelves to give your bathroom a luxurious, spa-like feel. Tabletop vanity lights or a stylish plug-in wall sconce can also elevate the look without any permanent installation. Swapping out your regular light bulbs for softer, more flattering ones can make a huge difference too. These quick lighting upgrades can take your bathroom from harsh and dull to serene and inviting. Plants can breathe life into any space, and the bathroom is no different. Adding some greenery can make your bathroom feel fresh and vibrant. Since many bathrooms are naturally humid, it's a perfect environment for moisture-loving plants like ferns, aloe vera, or peace lilies. If you don't have a lot of natural light, don't worry, there are plenty of low-light plants that will thrive, or you can always go for realistic artificial plants. Placing a small plant on a windowsill, countertop, or shelf instantly adds a calming, organic touch. You can also hang plants from the ceiling or use floating shelves to display your greenery. It's an easy and renter-friendly way to add texture, color, and a breath of fresh air to your bathroom decor. Another way to give your bathroom a mini makeover is by upgrading your hardware and accessories. Swapping out old, generic drawer pulls, towel bars, or shower curtain rings for more modern and stylish options can make a world of difference. You can find plenty of chic, removable options that won't damage your walls or cabinets when it's time to leave. Adding new soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and storage jars in matching metallic or ceramic finishes is another way to elevate the look. Even small updates like changing your toilet paper holder or switching to a new bath mat can refresh the entire space. These small details might seem insignificant, but they work together to create a cohesive, polished look without any major changes. Lastly, don't forget to add some personal touches that make the space feel truly yours. Hang some artwork or framed prints using removable adhesive strips. This allows you to showcase your style without damaging the walls. Scented candles or essential oil diffusers can also add to the ambience while giving your bathroom a calming, spa-like feel. Displaying a decorative tray with perfumes, jewelry, or pretty toiletries can add an elegant finishing touch. Remember, your bathroom should be a reflection of your personal taste, so have fun with it. With a few small, renter-friendly updates, you can create a beautiful and functional space that feels like home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these renter-friendly bathroom decor ideas helpful and inspiring. If you try any of these tips, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from CosySpace Living. Until next time, happy decorating!